Many of us are constantly racing against the clock. Between work, family, and unexpected events, healthy eating often takes a back seat. Make sure you subscribe to New Pod now so you don't miss out on our future episodes. But there's a simple way to take back control of your meals and boost your energy. Welcome to New Pod. Many people can relate to Thomas's story. He's a 42-year-old architect and a father of 2 young children. His busy schedule often left him feeling drained. And because he was short on time, pre-made meals or takeout became a regular thing. This habit came with a significant cost for his family budget, adding up to over €150 a week on ready-made meals. Beyond the financial strain, Thomas also noticed a significant dip in his energy levels. One day, a chat with a friend made him realize something important. He was actually spending more time each evening deciding what to eat than he was cooking. The problem wasn't a lack of willpower. It was simply a lack of a clear plan. That's where organization becomes your best friend. It helps you take back control of your diet and your energy. This is where the concept of meal prep, or preparing meals in advance, really makes sense. Far from being just another chore, it's an effective strategy. It helps you save precious time during the week. And it ensures you always have healthy, nutritious options readily available. No more last-minute decisions, often made when you're tired or rushed. Those choices often lead to less beneficial food options. Meal prep means dedicating 1 or 2 longer cooking sessions each week. During these, you prepare ingredients or entire dishes in larger quantities. Imagine coming home after a demanding day. You find pre-cut vegetable portions, a cooked grain, and a ready protein source. Your dinner is on the table in just a few minutes, turning stress into relaxation. To really simplify your meal prep, a great tip is to focus on just 3 essential food groups. First, aim for 1 or 2 protein sources. Think grilled chicken, cooked lentils, hard-boiled eggs, or marinated tofu. Second, include 1 or 2 minimally processed starches. Good options are brown rice, quinoa, roasted sweet potatoes, or whole wheat pasta. Finally, don't forget your vegetables, and make sure to vary them. You could have raw veggies for snacking, roasted vegetables like broccoli or zucchini, or even a comforting homemade vegetable soup. With these basics prepped, you can easily create different meals every day. Just change up your seasonings, and you'll have variety and balance. Once your meals are prepared, how you store them is super important for keeping them fresh and safe to eat. In the fridge, most cooked dishes can be safely stored for 3 to 4 days in airtight containers. It's essential to let them cool down completely before putting them in the fridge. This prevents condensation and keeps bacteria from growing. For longer storage, your freezer is a great help. You can keep your prepped meals for up to 3 months in proper containers or bags. Always label them with a date. One common mistake to avoid is putting a hot dish directly into the fridge or freezer. Let it cool down to room temperature first, but don't leave it out for more than 2 hours. This way, you won't affect other foods or encourage bacterial growth. For truly effective meal organization, a weekly meal plan is an invaluable tool. It acts like a real roadmap. It lets you see all your meals for the week at a glance. You can create a structured grocery list and plan for all the necessary prep work. The goal isn't to make things too rigid. Instead, it gives you a flexible framework that makes decision-making easier. To use it best, start by noting your fixed meals. These are things like eating out or dinner invitations. Then, fill in the days when you have less time with quick options or leftovers from your meal prep. Add seasonal vegetables you enjoy, and make sure to vary your protein and carb sources. Once this plan is set, your grocery list will become a breeze. Even with the best of intentions, there will always be days when your cooking time is super limited. That's why having quick recipe ideas on hand, ones you can make in under 20 minutes, is a huge plus. These suggestions are designed to come together fast, often using basic or pre-prepped ingredients. They're meant to inspire you and are easy to adapt to your taste and what you already have. The goal is to never be caught off guard and always be able to whip up a balanced meal without too much effort. Whether it's a hearty salad, a loaded omelet, or quick pasta, the aim is to cut down on kitchen time while still getting a great plate of food. Adopting these new planning and preparation habits does take a little effort at first. It takes a little while to get familiar with them and figure out your own system. However, the benefits are quickly noticeable and show up in many ways. You'll save valuable time every day. You'll also feel much calmer about mealtime decisions. And most importantly, the quality of your diet will get much better. This approach helps you build a healthy, lasting eating routine. You won't feel overwhelmed or restricted. It's an investment in your long-term well-being and health. It turns the chore of meal prep into an organized, nourishing experience. Embracing meal planning and preparation is a key step towards a more balanced and peaceful life. It's a worthwhile investment in both your time and your health. Join us on New Pod for more practical tips to simplify your daily routine.